Welcome to A2Z AMC Training Series. In today's video, we will talk about how an appraisal order is ended. So I will guide you through each step. Basically, the scenario is that when an appraisal order is created, it is reviewed by the AMC's operational admin, and then after it has been accepted, you can move forward, such as doing the payment. And once the AMC has been paid, the process starts. So what happens on the back of this, and where you can see the status of each of these steps, is that the AMC will assign an appraiser your appraisal order, and then he will do the inspection, and when the inspection is completed they will upload an appraisal order, and when it is reviewed by the EMC and it is finally approved, it will be sent it back to the appraiser. Sorry, it will send back to the lender. So we will skip all the steps, just gonna go and create a new appraisal order. So we have created an appraisal order and you can see the status, and I will show you each status as we go through. So it is under review. So the status has been updated from submitted to accepted by the EMC operational admin. Now we have to do the payment as it's required payment. Once the payment has been completed, and now the status is in progress. As you can see, it's in progress and AMC is paid, which means now the operational admin will continue by assigning the appraisal order to an appraiser. Okay, now the status has been updated that the appraiser has been assigned, and this is the particular appraiser, and it is still in progress. At any stage, you can withdraw the order, and now see what happens next. Okay, so as you can see now, the progress has been that there is a conditional acceptance. So basically, project went on hold because they have accepted, but they wanted the due date to be extended. So for the due date now, it will be reviewed by the operational admin, and then they will decide what to do. So as it is, the status is on hold. Admin has reviewed the conditional date and they have approved. So now it's again in progress, which means that now they have to create the inspection as it is not scheduled yet. Now they will be the appraiser will be setting an inspection date. So as you can see now, the inspection is scheduled for this specific date and time by this specific appraiser. And now the inspection was completed, marked as completed by the appraiser, which means now they are in process of uploading the appraisal report. So once the appraisal report has been submitted by the appraiser and it is approved by the AMC, so you can download it from here. As you can see, if I find it's correct, I can accept the report, and if I feel there are some changes are needed, so I can request for modification. Define here like name must be changed, and submitted it. So it will be, the status is that this is what customer review is requested. As on the main screen, you can see that the status has been changed from customer revision is requested. If I go and click on this status update, so now you can see the status has been updated, that it was reviewed by the customer revision requested was reviewed by this appraiser, and it was submitted again to the AMC. They have reviewed, and finally the final approved is received to the customer, and now you can accept the report. When you accept the report and you confirm, your status is changed to completed, and you no longer can see the status because it was for the active projects, and you can see over here it is completed. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.